Is Coinbase making a big move, a power move, or are they making a big mistake? Well, we had some recent news come out with Coinbase, and I wanted to highlight exactly what's going on, what their plans are, because Coinbase is getting ready to shake things up as every base token is getting ready to be listed on Coinbase. At least that's what Jesse Pollock is saying. And we're talking about all of the base tokens getting listed on Coinbase, the exchange, even the minute meme coins. I mean, is this good? Is it bad? What could come of this? And I want to highlight exactly kind of my thoughts and give you guys the updates in terms of what we have here. Make sure you guys stick around until the end of the video. Some interesting things to know about what's happening here with Coinbase. Here's one thing I will say. Coinbase as a stock right now, I'm very interested in. I've been invested there for a long time. I think this is one of those tech companies that are up and coming. You know, to me, this is getting early to Google. It's getting early to Amazon. It's, you know, these future Web3 tech giants, Coinbase, Robinhood, these two in particular, these are great investment opportunities, in my opinion, at least for me. Okay, not financial advice, but I'm going in on these. But this news that dropped recently kind of shocked me, to be honest. And I want to hear your guys' thoughts on all of this as well as we kind of go through this. But Coinbase set to unlock every base token, what you need to know. So check this out. Coinbase is working on full integration of every token built on Base. That's its layer 2 on ETH. And amidst Coinbase plans to reshape its product model, the exchange is about to enable direct trading for every token on the Base ecosystem. This includes meme coins running on Base, utility tokens, early stage community assets. The move could radically lower the barrier to liquidity for thousands of on-chain products, with deep implications for the next retail push. So what this means is there's no listing necessary. It's simply discoverability and liquidity. And it appears Coinbase is ready to flip the switch. According to Base creator Jesse Pollock, even the Zora token will be available on Coinbase Exchange. Meanwhile, Base builder Crypto Poet says you don't need a listing anymore. You just need attention. Oh, excuse me. So there's interesting kind of questions raised here, right? Is Coinbase opening the door to unprecedented user exposure to volatile micro assets? Like, what about the, you know, meme coins on Base that aren't great assets to invest in? Like, will this be a bad thing? Could this backfire? Could this signal the on-chainification of all token discovery and trading, sidestepping legacy exchange gatekeeping entirely? I mean, this is, honestly, guys, this cannot be overlooked. This is really set to revolutionize the way we look at exchanges with what Base is doing. Now, what does this mean for some of the, you know, top memes on Base, for example? You know, you've got Brett here, $546 million, you know, asset. They're almost in the top 100. They've been in the top 100. I think this is unbelievable for Base, right? Like, they deserve to be listed on Coinbase. And you go down this line and you find Toshi as well. Toshi's been skyrocketing. They're up 14% right now. They just got listed on Binance US. Now Coinbase listing, they're you know, right inside that, you know, 100 to 200 range at 169. They're a $279 million market cap. Bitcoin on Base, another project I've talked about. Like, this is utility play that these are solid assets, right? So, like, I think it's great for, you know, these sort of plays, but not so great, in my opinion, for some of the very, very micro caps, small caps. Now we'll see how this all plays out, right? And you're seeing here, I mean, some of the tokens that are, you know, doing the best. You know, Bio just recently got listed to Coinbase. We've been talking about this one for a while. So this is actually on the exchange already now. It's up 50% here to start the day. Toshi, as we mentioned, has been up for a while. It looks really strong. So I'm very interested to kind of see how this plays out, right? And critics may argue it's a risk-heavy pivot. Others see it as Coinbase's next logical step, an arms race response to Pump.Fund Launchpad, meme coin creators, and Solana-style on-chain virality. Instead of watching volume bleed to other chains, Coinbase wants to keep Base tokens inside its walled garden. So I feel like there's some competing ideas here, definitely some good and some bad. I want to get your guys' thoughts on this. And again, I see some good things for the tokens that deserve the listing, but but I don't necessarily think every base token deserves to be listed on Coinbase, right? So what are your guys' thoughts down below? I'm curious to hear your guys' thoughts. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, sign up for the free newsletter as well. We're going to be talking about wealth strategies in crypto. I'm going to be dropping this in your inbox 2 to 3 times a week. Definitely do not want to miss out on this opportunity. And check out XT Algo if you guys are looking to level up your game, take your trading to the next level. Look at this, 40% returns here in the last month on Ethereum. If you'd have just bought when our indicator told you to, right at 2,700, some big gains here on ETH, and this is a large asset. Some altcoin gains. We've seen 80 to 120% when our indicator flashed the last big momentum up or buy signal. You guys can get access to this for a little over $1 a day. You can set up your own customized alerts. I walk you through how to use it. Highly encourage you guys to give XT Algo a look if you're looking to level up your game. And I appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.